2023 Genesis G70 4-cylinder turbo. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got the factory downpipe converter right there, then flex pipe, then 3-inch pipe. And then what we did is we took the resonator off. We cut it off from right there, put a vibrant resonator in its place, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. There's a vibrant part number, 1794 vibrant right there. And then finished it off nicely with an Atami angle cut tip, dual tip right there. Just goes with the body line really nicely and clean, as you guys can see right there. G70 by Genesis. There's the muffler that was on it. There's the resonator that was on it we cut off. There they are. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. Go ahead. Take two. Nice idle. It's clean idle. It's not too loud. Here's sound decibels. Right at 76. Go ahead and give it gas. Is it too loud or good? I like it. He likes it. It says it's perfect. So that's what we like to hear. Very nice. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. It hit 108 earlier, so 103, 105, up to 108. Yeah, 104. Go ahead and back it out. So if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike. Made another customer happy. That's the name of the game, guys. Then we got a sexy BMW 330i just chilling there. We're working on. And a BMW M3 there that we're working on. BMW today. Genesis G70 sedan, 4-cylinder turbo. Here we go with vibrant catback. That's clean. He didn't want it too loud. He just wanted just a nice clean tone. It's still here. And then you got a Mustang just chilling. We did that one probably earlier in the year. You saw me recording. We got a 2022 BMW 235. We just straight piped. So go ahead and rev it. It's got a little barble. He needs a downpipe. All right, go ahead. Really nice, clean car. I love the tail lights. I don't know what about the tail lights I like, but I really love the tail lights on this car. I don't know if they're aftermarket or not. It's just a badass looking car. Turbo 235. Enjoy, guys. That sounded really, really nice. I like it.